Let me be honest with you, if people don't respect you, they can feel it before you even say a word. It's not about your clothes, it's not about your money, and it's not about your looks. It's about how you carry yourself. Right now, without realizing it, you might be doing things that instantly lower your value in other people's eyes. And the worst part, nobody's going to tell you. They'll just treat you differently. They'll ignore you, interrupt you, talk over you, and slowly, you start feeling invisible. But here's the truth, respect is not given, it's built. And most people destroy it without even noticing. The first mistake is trying too hard to be liked. You say yes to everything, you avoid conflict, you laugh even when it's not funny, and you think that makes people like you, but it doesn't, it makes you look weak, because people respect those who respect themselves first. If you don't set boundaries, but the others will cross them, every time. The second mistake is your body language. You walk with your head down, you avoid eye contact, your voice is quiet and unsure. Before you even speak, you've already told the world that you're not confident, and people react to that instantly. The third mistake is over-explaining yourself. You try to justify everything you do. You explain your decisions, your choices, your opinions. But confident people don't do that. They say what they need to say, and that's it. No extra words. No approval needed. So how do you fix this? First, learn to say no. Not aggressively, not rudely, just calmly. No, I can't. No, I'm not interested. That alone will change how people see you. Second, fix your posture and eye contact. Stand straight, look people in the eyes. Speak clearly, even if you don't feel confident. Act like you are. Because confidence is built through action, not waiting. And third, stop seeking approval. Not everyone has to like you. In fact, if everyone likes you, you're probably doing something wrong. Respect comes when you're okay with being disliked. When you stop chasing people and start focusing on yourself, because at the end of the day, people don't respect the nicest person in the room. They respect the one they value.